Stop scrolling right now if you've ever been quoted hundreds of dollars for a car repair and wondered if you were being ripped off. This video is about to save you serious money. I'm about to show you 15 car hacks that use common household items to solve expensive problems. From clearing foggy headlights to stopping dashboard cracks, these solutions cost pennies compared to professional services. The car industry doesn't want these tricks getting out, but it's too late now. Before we move on, I'd like to ask you a small favor. If you appreciate this content, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Over 98% of you watch the videos without subscribing. It costs you nothing, but it makes a huge difference to us. So, did you click the subscribe button? Great, thank you so much. Now back to the video. Number 1. Toothpaste, the $2 headlight restoration solution. Did you know the average headlight restoration service costs $75 to $150? Those cloudy yellow headlights aren't just ugly. They actually reduce your nighttime visibility by up to 80%. That's a serious safety issue hiding behind a cosmetic problem. Here's what mechanics don't tell you. You don't need to replace your entire headlight assembly or pay for expensive restoration. The solution is sitting in your bathroom cabinet right now. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives that remove plaque from teeth. And those same compounds strip away oxidation from headlights. Simply squeeze regular white toothpaste, not gel, onto a microfiber cloth and rub in circles for about 5 to 10 minutes per headlight. Rinse with water and dry completely. Number 2. The cat litter sock trick that prevents foggy windows. Ever waited in your car watching your breath turn into fog on your windshield? That moisture isn't just annoying, it's dangerous when you can't see the road. The temperature difference between your warm car interior and cold windows creates condensation that blocks your view. This hack uses simple science. Cat litter contains silica gel, the same moisture-absorbing material in those do not eat packets that come with new shoes. Just fill a clean sock with unscented cat litter, tie it off, and place it on your dashboard. One $8 bag makes several DIY moisture absorbers that each last 2 to 3 months. Users report up to 90% less window fogging during rainy weather. For best results, use 2 socks during humid seasons and replace the litter whenever it feels damp. Number 3. Cooking spray, your winter door lock savior. Picture this. It's 7 a.m. The temperature is below freezing, and you're already late when you discover your car doors won't budge. This winter nightmare happens to millions of drivers every year. The solution? Cooking spray. The same stuff that keeps your cookies from sticking to the pan creates a water-repellent barrier that stops moisture from freezing in your door seals and locks. Just spray a light coating on the rubber door seals and around lock mechanisms, then wipe away excess. That thin oil layer prevents water from sticking to these surfaces. Number 4. The gas cap trick that resets your check engine light. Did you know that nearly 10% of check engine lights are triggered by nothing more than a loose or faulty gas cap? That small warning light can cause major anxiety, and repair shops cash in on this fear. When your gas cap isn't properly sealed, your car's evaporative emission system detects a leak and triggers the warning light. This doesn't mean your engine has a problem. To fix it, turn off your engine, remove the gas cap, check the rubber seal for cracks, then reattach it until you hear 3 clicks. Drive normally for 50 to 100 miles. Number 5. Stop windshield cracks with clear nail polish. A small chip in your windshield might seem minor, but studies show 90% of these tiny imperfections will spread into major cracks within 3 years. Your average windshield replacement costs around $400, and even professional chip repairs run $60 to $100. Repair shops aren't exactly rushing to tell you about cheaper alternatives. They profit more from full replacements. Here's what they don't mention. Clear nail polish contains similar acrylic resins to professional repair kits. It seals the chip from moisture and dirt that cause spreading. Simply apply several thin layers to the chip, letting each layer dry completely. The polish fills the void and creates a protective barrier. Number 6. The plunger method for popping out car dents. Minor dents happen to everyone. Door dings in parking lots, hail damage, or backing into a post. Body shops typically charge $150 to $300 to fix even small dents, knowing most car owners will pay up or just live with the damage. What they don't tell you is that many dents can be fixed with something sitting in your bathroom right now. A standard plunger creates suction that pulls many dents back into shape. This works best on larger, shallower dents on flat surfaces like doors or hoods. Simply wet both the plunger and the dented area. Press the plunger firmly over the dent to create a seal, then pull quickly and forcefully. You may need several attempts before the metal pops back. Number 7. Disable traction control for better snow grip. Have you ever been stuck in snow, watching your wheels spin uselessly while that traction control light flashes on your dashboard? That safety system might actually be keeping you trapped. Car dealers rarely mention that traction control can work against you in deep snow. The system detects wheel spin and automatically cuts engine power or applies brakes, exactly when you need that extra power to push through snow. Tests show that vehicles with disabled traction control moved forward in 75% of situations where they previously remained stuck. Remember to turn the system back on once you're moving again for normal driving safety. Number 8. WD-40, the secret weapon against bugs and tar. After a summer road trip, your car's front end looks like an insect graveyard. Those baked-on bugs and road tar seem permanently fused to your paint, resisting even vigorous washing. WD-40 contains solvents that break down bug proteins and dissolve sticky tar without harming modern automotive clear coats. It's essentially the same science as expensive specialized cleaners at a fifth of the price. Just spray WD-40 directly onto affected areas. Let it sit 5 to 10 minutes to soften the debris, then wipe away with a soft microfiber cloth. For stubborn spots, apply a second coat. Number 9. The tennis ball parking guide for perfect garage positioning. This hack uses a hanging tennis ball as a visual indicator. When your windshield touches the ball, you know you're at the perfect distance from the wall. To set it up, park your car in the ideal position, then hang a tennis ball from the garage ceiling using string and a screw hook so it just touches your windshield at eye level. When parking, simply pull forward until the ball touches the glass. Users report this method provides positioning accuracy within 2 inches every time. For 2-car households, use different colored tennis balls for each vehicle's ideal position, creating a foolproof system that works even in dim lighting. Number 10. Hair conditioner, the $3 dashboard protectant. UV damage causes dashboards to crack and fade, cutting your car's value by hundreds. Those fancy dashboard protectants at auto parts stores cost $8 to $15 per bottle. But here's what they don't want you to know. Professional detailers understand that many commercial protectants are mostly silicone oils with added fragrance. Exactly what's in hair conditioner. Hair conditioner contains dimethicone and other silicones that create a barrier against UV rays while adding moisture to vinyl and plastic surfaces. To use this hack, apply a small amount of regular hair conditioner to a microfiber cloth. Wipe it onto your dashboard and plastic trim, then buff with a clean cloth until dry. The silicones penetrate and protect the surface just like the expensive stuff. Number 11. The binder clip phone mount that costs 25 cents. Electronic stores want you to believe you need their fancy mounting systems with complex clamps and suction cups. What they don't advertise is that a simple office supply works just as well for navigation and hands-free calls. A large binder clip attached to your air vent creates a stable phone holder. The metal handles are strong enough to grip most phones securely. Just clip it to your vent, then bend the metal handles outward to create a platform for your phone. The rubber coating won't scratch your vents. This 25-cent solution matches the stability of mounts costing 100 times more. For bigger phones, Use 2 binder clips at the bottom corners of your device. Even on bumpy roads, your phone stays put, keeping your hands on the wheel where they belong. Number 12. Cola, the surprising battery terminal cleaner. Corroded battery terminals are one of the leading causes of no-start conditions. Mechanics charge $25 to $50 to clean them, while auto parts stores push specialized cleaners for $10 to $15. What these businesses don't tell you is that the soda in your refrigerator works almost as well. Cola contains phosphoric acid with a pH of about 2.5, which dissolves the alkaline corrosion that builds up on battery terminals without damaging the metal. To try this hack, disconnect your battery, negative terminal first, pour cola directly onto the corroded areas, and watch it bubble for 2 to 3 minutes as it dissolves the buildup. Rinse with water and dry thoroughly before reconnecting. Number 13. Floor mat windshield. Cover the winter morning time saver. Winter mornings often mean spending 10 to 15 minutes scraping ice and snow from your windshield while freezing your fingers. Those specialty windshield covers cost $15 to $30, but you already own something that works almost as well. Your car's rubber floor mats are waterproof, flexible, and designed to handle extreme temperatures, making them perfect temporary windshield shields. They prevent snow and ice from directly contacting your glass. Before an overnight snowfall, place your front floor mats on your windshield, rubber side down, tucking the edges under your wipers to secure them. In the morning, just remove the mats and shake off the snow. Number 14. The truth about synthetic oil. Your mechanic won't share. Here's what they don't tell you. Synthetic oil can safely go 7,500 to 10,000 miles between changes, while conventional oil needs changing every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Synthetic oils are chemically engineered lubricants with a more uniform molecular structure that helps them resist breakdown more effectively than conventional oils. Do the math. A $65 synthetic oil change lasting 10,000 miles costs $0.0065 per mile. Two $35 conventional oil changes over the same distance cost $0.007 per mile. Following manufacturer recommendations instead of quick lube intervals saves $80 to $120 annually. For best results, pair synthetic oil with a high-quality filter rated for extended use. You'll spend less time waiting for oil changes and reduce environmental impact from oil disposal. Number 15. Dryer sheet freshener. The $1 solution to car odors. Car air fresheners run $3 to $7 each and last barely a month. That's up to $90 a year just to keep your car smelling nice. Meanwhile, you're throwing money away on products that do exactly what something in your laundry room already does. Auto parts stores push fancy air freshening systems, but they won't tell you that common household dryer sheets contain the same fragrance compounds. Dryer sheets are designed with fabric softeners and fragrances that slowly release over time. Place 2 to 3 fresh dryer sheets under your seats and replace them monthly. For stronger scent, tuck them by air vents or in cup holders, though they'll need changing more often there. Conclusion. These 15 hacks prove that smart car maintenance doesn't require specialized products or expensive services. Common household items can solve problems that mechanics charge hundreds to fix. The automotive industry profits from making you believe car care is complicated, but now you know better. By understanding the science behind these tricks, you're taking control of your vehicle's maintenance. The average car owner spends hundreds of dollars annually on unnecessary products and services. These simple solutions keep that money in your pocket while maintaining your vehicle effectively. Which money-saving hack will you try first? Let us know in the comments and share your own car tricks that have saved you time and money.